Welcome to Smart Preparation MCQs. Today we will cover MCQs on mammals. The most unique characteristic of mammals is mammals named after mammary gland. So, presence of milk producing glands is the unique characteristic of mammals. Mammals are found in habitats such as mammals found in different type of habitats such as polar ice caps, deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands and aquatic regions. So option D is correct. Identify the mammal adapted for flying. Ornithorhynchus or platypus is a semi-aquatic mammal. Macropus or kangaroo is a terrestrial mammal. Pteropus or this is called as flying bugs is a bat. This is the only flying mammal. And Balanoptera, this is blue whale. It is a aquatic animal. Ornithorhynchus is unique among mammals because Ornithorhynchus, also called as platypus, it lays eggs. This is the unique characteristic of Ornithorhynchus. Has no mammary glands. This is incorrect. This contains mammary glands. And viviparous, this is incorrect. It is oviparous. Has feathers. This is not the characteristic of mammals. Macropus is commonly known as kangaroo. Macropus is the scientific name of kangaroo. Which of the following mammals is aquatic? Pteropus is flying mammal. Balanoptera is aquatic. Macropus is kangaroo, which is terrestrial animal. Ornithorhynchus or platypus, this is semi-aquatic animal. Mammalian skin is without glands. This is incorrect. They contains glands and sweat glands and sebaceous glands. So here option D is correct. Rich in sweat and sebaceous glands. Which of the following is a unique characteristic of mammals? Feathers. This is not the characteristic of mammals. Here is the characteristic of mammals. Scale, wrong. Dry skin without glands. This is not the characteristic of mammal. External ears in mammals are called pinna. Different types of teeth in mammals is known as. Mammals have different type of teeth like incisor, canines, premolars and molars. So this type of dentition is known as heterodont dentition. Monophyrodont means only one set of dentition throughout life. Here in human, two sets of dentition occur. For example, milk teeth and permanent teeth. This is incorrect. Homodont dentition means similar type of dentition, similar type of teeth. This is also incorrect. Diphyodont dentition means two sets of dentition throughout the life, but not all mammals have diphyodont dentition. So this is also incorrect. Mammalian heart is four-chambered, which help in double circulation. Mammals are homeotherms, means they have constant body temperature with the external environment. Respiration in mammals occurs by skin and lungs, incorrect. Only lungs. This is the correct answer. Gills and lungs. This is the wrong answer. Spiracles and trachea. This is also the wrong answer. Fertilization in mammals is, in mammal, fertilization occurs inside the body. So, this is internal fertilization. Development in mammals is, in mammals, they birth live young ones. They does not undergo larval stage. So, their development is direct. Match the following. Oviparous mammal, they lay eggs. Here the example of oviparous mammal is Ornithorhynchus or platypus. Viviparous mammals are Macropus, Camelus, Canis, and Rattus. Aquatic mammals is Pelinoptera or blue whale. Flying mammal is Pteropus. So here the correct option is A. Which one of the following is a monotreme or egg-laying mammal? Ornithorhynchus or platypus is a monotreme or egg-laying mammal. Which of the following is a marsupial mammal? Marsupial means young ones are born immature and kept in a pouch. This is the characteristic of macropus or kangaroo. Which mammal is wrongly matched with its scientific name? Felis cat, this is correct. Equus horse, this is also correct. Panthera tigris, this is the scientific name of tiger. Panthera leo, this is also correct. Lion is the Panthera leo. So here option C is wrongly matched. Delphinus is dolphin. Balinoptera is commonly known as blue whale. Here are some PYQs of NEET. Which of the following animals is not viviparous? Platypus is egg-laying, so it is not viviparous. Whale, flying fox, and elephants, these are viviparous animals. Which of the following represents the correct combinations without any exception? Cyclostomata, sucking and circular mouth, jaw absent, integument without scales, paired appendages. Here, paired appendages is not the characteristic of cyclostomata. Body covered with feathers, skin moist and glandular, full limbs, form wings, lungs with air sacs. Here, skin moist and glandular is not the characteristic of apes. Mammary gland, hair on body, ear pinna, two pair of limbs. Here, ear pinna is not the characteristic of all mammals. Chondrichthysis, mouth ventral, gill without operculum, skin with placoid scales, persistent notochord. This is the characteristic of chondrichthysis. So option D is correct. Which of the following characteristic is not shared by birds and mammals? Viviparity characteristic is not shared by birds and mammals because not most birds are oviparous and most mammals are viviparous. Warm-blooded nature, this is the shared characteristic of mammals and birds. Ossified endoskeleton, this is also present in both. Breathing using lungs, this is also occur in both. Which of the following characteristic features always hold true for the corresponding groups of animals? Possesses a mouth with an upper and lower jaw, Mammalia. Not all mammals have upper and lower jaw. For example, platypus. Three-chambered heart with one incomplete divided ventricle. This is a characteristic of chordata. This is also incorrect because all chordates have different type of heart, like two-chambered, three-chambered, and four-chambered. This is the characteristic of reptiles. Cartilaginous endoskeleton, chondrichthysis. This is correct. In chondrichthysis, cartilaginous endoskeleton is present. Viviparous reptilia. This is also incorrect because most reptiles are oviparous. Choose the correct statement. All mammals are viviparous. This is incorrect because mammal like platypus, these are egg-laying or oviparous. All cyclostome do not possess jaws and paired fins. This is correct because cyclostome like lampreys and hagfish are jawless. All reptiles have a three-chambered heart. This is also incorrect. Crocodile has four-chambered heart. All fishes have gills covered by an operculum. This is also incorrect because chondrichthysis and ostrichthysis comes under fishes and operculum is the characteristic of only bony fish, not cartilaginous fish. Which among these is a correct combination of aquatic mammals? Here, dolphin and seals are aquatic, but trigon is a fish. Whales, dolphins, and seals all are aquatic. Trigon, whales, seals. Here, trigon is a fish. Seals, dolphin, and shark. Shark is a fish. So these three options are incorrect. Option B is correct. Which of the following represents order of horse? Perissodactyla is the order of horse. Cabellus is the species name of horse. Ferus is the subspecies name. Equidae is the family name of horse. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.